Okay, so what we are looking at here are the ingredients for pancit, seafood flavored pancit. So why don't you go ahead and tell us what we're looking at here, honey?
Yes.
Starting where? Where do you want to start?
Wait, hold on. This one is prawns. This one is chicken breast, squid, cilantro, sweet peas, Chinese cabbage, and shrimp broth. I'll boil the shrimp heads to get this broth. Carrots, bell pepper, and the garlic and onion. And this is the pancit.
Excellent. All right. Well, we'll come back and check this out once we get moving. All right.
I'm using olive oil.
Olive oil.
Yes. The one that you chose yesterday.
Okay.
For 15 minutes.
Okay. Just heat up the olive oil.
Yeah, heat up the olive oil.
Okay.
And then the next.
We got the onions.
Chop onions.
Sounds like we have a vocalist in the background there.
Yeah. While taking a bath. Singing inside the bathroom.
Yeah.
But you know, the most nicest thing when you're cooking the bihon, pancit bihon, some people they want a bit oily. Some people they don't like oily. But I prefer the one with a bit oily for the bihon.
As in olive oil, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we get the olive oil, then the sweat from the onions, and maybe a little bit of the garlic.
Yeah.
That's a lot of garlic. Nice.
I like more.
I love garlic. I think most people would agree.
Garlic and the onion is ready, so we have to put the
Garlic and onion.
Chicken breast.
Chicken breast.
The chicken breast is already marinated, so
Okay.
the taste is already okay.
It's already marinated?
Yeah.
And what was it marinated in? Or what did you marinate it with?
Garlic powder. And garlic powder, cornstarch, black pepper powder, a little bit of brown sugar, and sesame oil.
Okay, so you basically seasoned it,
Yeah.
not so much marinated it. Okay.
Same with the prawns.
Gotcha. Is that what you just put in? The prawns. Okay. Just so happens I'm on a 24-hour fast, and it's almost time for my 24 hours have almost expired, so this is going to be what I break my fast with. So I'm kind of looking forward to this one.
And then next is the squid. White squid. This one they usually use for calamari.
Okay. So right now we're looking at seasoned chicken, prawns, and white squid. With onions and garlic and olive oil.
And also the squid I already blanched with the hot water, so half cook already.
Oh, you blanched the
Yes.
squid? Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
And black pepper. Crushed black pepper.
Okay. Okay, next up we have
Next step will be the carrots. I just want to stir fry the carrots together with the ingredients, main ingredients, and take it out.
okay.
This shrimp broth.
So what we did is what she did was removed the chicken, prawns, squid, the carrots, the onion, basically everything she was cooking up in the pan. It's been removed and put on a plate. And now you just added, what is it again? What do you put?
The shrimp broth.
The shrimp broth. Okay.
Yeah. Add a little bit of black pepper again, and then this one. I usually use oyster sauce.
And that's what that is, oyster sauce?
Yeah, oyster sauce for pancit. So next, we're going to put the pancit.
I've never actually stood and watched you make pancit, or anyone make pancit for that matter.
This is seafood pancit.
Yeah.
Actually.
I'll try not to make this video any longer than I have to. I'll try to edit out whatever's not extremely important, but this is kind of a process, and as I'm beginning to realize here. So forgive me if this video is a little bit longer than, or forgive us if this video is a little bit longer than
Because
what we
this
had
is
planned.
the real procedure.
Exactly. Hang with us, guys. Hang with us. And that again, that's the pea pods?
Pea pods
Okay.
for this, for the vegetable.
Okay. So what we got going on here is bell pepper. We put the pea pods
Pea
in.
pods.
And now we're going Chinese cabbage.
But I like pancit with lots of vegetables.
Lots of vegetables. It makes for a good pancit. And the noodles are getting soft real fast.
Yeah.
She also put in some soy sauce, a good dash of that. And now all the vegetables are going in, as you can see. And hell, it's looking pretty darn good. A little bit of steam coming up at the camera. All right, we'll be back in a second. All right, this is kind of the cool part. This is where it all comes together. All the chicken and squid,
the carrots, and the shrimp.
And the shrimp, or prawns, whatever you want to call it. Very nice. I wish y'all could see and smell this. This is really, really, really good.
Mix all together.
That's where it all comes together. And it's looking excellent.
Or the shrimp or the prawn flavors all in together with the pancit, through the vegetables, because I used the fresh prawns broth.
Okay, well there you have it, folks. We'll be back when we get everything plated.
And the last one.
Oh, hold on. Is
The last one is for the cilantro.
cilantro.
Yes, the garnish. I don't have onion leeks or spring onion, that's why I use the cilantro.
Ooh, I can smell that. Wow.
Okay, that's it. Okay, this is our finished product of Pancit bihon, seafood Pancit bihon that we just cooked. Okay, I hope you folks can taste also my cooking. That's it.
It looks really good, hon. Spectacular job. Love it. I enjoyed making this video, and I enjoyed watching you put all this together.
My husband's request for me for dinner after his 24 hours of fasting.
Okay, guys, she did a great job, and we will talk to you later. Everybody take care of yourselves, take care of each other, and we'll talk to you soon. All right, bye-bye, guys.